As a young girl was boarding a ship, she noticed something horrifying: the distant trees were swaying unnaturally. Suddenly, a 300-meter-tall monster emerged before everyone's eyes. People frantically ran towards a nearby ship for safety. However, upon seeing the monster, the captain ordered his soldiers to prevent the passengers from boarding and prepare to flee. Just then, even more monsters appeared from beyond the hills. At the last crucial moment, Jack managed to get on board with 2 children. Just as everyone thought they were safe, the captain witnessed an even more terrifying scene. The once calm water surface suddenly formed a massive whirlpool. In the blink of an eye, a huge wave erupted from the vortex, and an even larger monster emerged from the depths. The colossal creature easily capsized the ship with its enormous body, sending everyone plunging into the sea. After Jack and his family struggled ashore, he hurriedly led his daughter into a basement for shelter. There, Jack discovered red vines covering the walls, seemingly altering the Earth's environment. Suddenly, the commotion outside ceased, and a monster's tentacle crept into the basement. Jack quickly grabbed his daughter, carefully avoiding the tentacle's search. However, when his companions came to meet up, they accidentally made a noise that swiftly drew the tentacle's attention. Jack and the others hid behind a mirror. The tentacle, seeing its own reflection, soon forgot about the disturbance and slowly retreated from the basement. Jack finally breathed a sigh of relief. Later that night, an exhausted Jack fell asleep on the couch, but as they slept, the tentacle quietly slithered back into the basement. Jack was awakened by his daughter's scream. He grabbed an axe and fiercely chopped at the tentacle before him. During the chaos, his daughter ran out of the basement in fear. After defeating the tentacle, Jack immediately went outside to search for his daughter, calling out for her as he ran. His shouts attracted the monster's attention. Its massive eyes seemed to stare at him as if from the depths of hell. Jack quickly took cover inside a nearby car, but within seconds, a tentacle wrapped around him and slammed him to the ground. Through the shattered car window, he saw his daughter standing not far away, and the monster had already spotted her. Jack rushed towards his daughter, but he was too late. He could only watch helplessly as a tentacle coiled around her and carried her away. Jack was then thrown into a cage full of humans. The monster reached out its tentacle, targeting Jack's daughter. Without hesitation, Jack shielded her and grabbed a grenade in the process. In an instant, Jack was pulled up by the tentacle. Fortunately, a soldier had noticed Jack's action. He immediately rallied the others to help, and together they managed to pull Jack back down. The grenades, however, remained lodged inside the monster. With a muffled explosion, a chain reaction was triggered within the creature. Finally, amidst a fierce roar, the gigantic monster collapsed. It turned out that even these beasts were not invincible after all.